Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to share how you can share your file link with your developer. So this tutorial will be helpful if you are started your business with Shopify and you are very beginner to using Shopify platform for your new online business. And this guideline you need when you have hired someone to work on your file and wanted to keep your site access secure. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can share the uploaded file link with your developer. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel, and now I am going to click on the settings. Then click on the file menus, and here you can upload your file. So now I'm going to upload a file. For example, I'm going to upload a video file. So click on the file upload. So here is the file that I'm going to upload. Okay, the file has been uploaded. Now you have to copy this link of this file link. So click on this icon, copy link. Just click on this icon, then the file link will be copied. Then you can share this link with your developer. Super easy. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And for any service relevant to WordPress and Shopify, visit wordpress2shopify.com. Also, you can directly message me or hire me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, my name is Nate Gallaudet. I'm the owner of Bacon Blend, and I worked with Foysal on building my Shopify store. He did excellent work. I highly recommend you working with Foysal. He will get everything you need done in a timely fashion, and he's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure he does everything correctly. Again, I highly recommend working with Foysal on all your Shopify needs, as well as WordPress. He is a master at WordPress and Shopify.